Hi guys, we have the luxury ceramic UMIDIGI S3 Pro, £269 with a £15 voucher on Amazon at the moment. You can apply at checkout. So this is sort of the lower spectrum of the mid-range smartphone, I'd say. This has got 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of storage. It's also running Android 9 and it has a huge 48 megapixel sensor. So link to the world. That's with every UMIDIGI phone you get. 18 watt fast charger, a USB Type-C cable, feels like a premium cable, and the phone itself, which as always they come in this really nice case. UMIDIGI do really nice cases. It's like a leather effect, which will keep it safe from bumps and scratches. It comes with a screen protector. Peel that film off there. I'll keep the screen protector on for the moment. Let's take the case off. It's ceramic as well, so luxury ceramic smartphone. At the back, this is the black colour, and that looks beautiful. Yeah, feels really nice. UMIDIGI logo at the bottom. Look at that. That is really nice. It's like glass, but it's not. Camera does butt out a little bit. The fingerprint sensor. Closer look at that camera, how much it butts out. Bottom, USB Type-C, speaker grill, 3.5mm socket, and a microphone. There is a little bit of weight to this. It's fairly heavy. It's 5,150 milliamp battery as well. So that's going to increase the weight and the thickness of the phone. Volume rocker up and down and power. On the top, just have a little microphone and a SIM tray. Yeah, so the rear camera is 48 megapixel and a 12 megapixel sensor, telephoto lens. And the front is a whopping 20 megapixel as well. So, pretty good. Let's turn it on. UMIDIGI. But yeah, it is quite a heavy device. The display is 2340 by 1080p and has the water drop notch. There we go. Right, let me set this up, guys. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so we're all set up. It has a dark wallpaper to begin with. If we go through some of the settings as well, pretty much what you come to expect on most smartphones nowadays. Confirm model number S3 Pro, running updated to Android 9. You can also do gestures, enable gestures for the buttons. I prefer buttons, even though you do get less screen. I do prefer the soft buttons at the bottom, which you can swap around as well. I'm going to change the wallpaper. It's too dark for me. Let's change it to that, maybe. Yeah, that'll do. Home screen. Wow, that's quite. So I've got the brightness. So that's up full at the moment. Turn that down a touch. Okay, so now that's a bit mad in it, that wallpaper. Let's change it back, or change it to something a bit different. That one. That'll do. There we go. It's a little bit better. So it's stock Android. It says stock Android 9. Applications, this is what you get. You have a notebook application there. Other than that, I can't see anything different to what you'd normally get on a smartphone, which is good. Fingerprint sensor. Pretty quick, that is. So S3 Pro does have NFC for payments and stuff, which is good. I want to look at this camera. Let's have a look. Don't know that for a moment. Okay, we're at 48 megapixel. Let's take a picture of my little paint pot. So we switch to bokeh. Okay. Let's sit that down on there. It's focused. So we can switch to video mode now. This shoots up to 1080p with electric image stabilization. So let's go. Okay, so we're on the UMIDIGI S3 Pro, testing the rear video camera, 1080p, and electric image stabilization is on. So looking at video quality and audio quality. Right in there. It's not too bad. I'm not sure what it's focusing on there. That's not focusing on anything at the moment. Nor there. I have to touch it then. There we go, we're back. Okay. Right, let me know what you guys think to the quality of that. It did struggle for a moment there with focusing, but it seems to be back on track now. That's good. Cool. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so it's now time to test out the 20 megapixel front facing camera. There's no bokeh effect on here, so if we go to video mode, this shoots at 1080p. There is EIS enabled as well, so here we go. 1080p front facing video camera on the S3 Pro. It does look pretty, does look quite sharp. Deep colours. My hair looks quite a bit darker than normal. That's pretty good. Well, let me know what you guys think of that then. Okay, so I want to switch back around to the rear camera because I just want to test the telephoto lens. So at the moment we are at 1x, so then change it to 2x zoom and take a picture there. Great quality on 1x and 2x zoom. So not a bad looking camera at the moment on the S3 Pro. Obviously I want to test it a lot further, taking shots outside and obviously low light testing as well. Okay, so let's have a look at this screen closely. Let's have a look at some 4K footage. Okay, here we go guys. So this is at 1080p and 60 frames per second. Yes, that's right. Turn the brightness right up. And that looks crisp as hell. Yeah, looks. Display looks good, and I'm buffering on my rubbish Wi-Fi connection. Look at that, smooth 60 frames per second playback. Super. Yep. Decent display. Oh, my network is so crap. 720p. Still looks decent in 720p as well. Viewing angles are good as well. So, excellent display. And viewing angles there, look. Superb viewing angles. Yeah, very, very good display. Audio test now. We have one loudspeaker. Not entirely sure where it's coming out from. Normally you cover that. This is full volume. Loudspeaker's okay. When you're blocking out the sound there, it just seems to come from the middle of the phone somewhere. I don't know, but normally you can block it off there and block out most of the sound. But just if we go very loud, there's a loud loudspeaker. Yeah, sound quality is pretty decent. Okay, so it is well designed. It feels really solid. There's a bit of weight to it. The ceramic back obviously is going to pick up fingerprints, like a glass, back would anyway. But it is slippery. To slide. So watch where you put it. So I can really put this to test on my gaming videos, which I'll be doing soon. PUBG. I'll see if Fortnite runs on it. But, I'm not too sure whether it will. Also, hopefully Asphalt 9 is available. Yes, it is. So I'll download that as well and test with that. But that is pretty much it. That is a first look at the UMIDIGI S3 Pro, a ceramic solid smartphone, which does look very, very nice. Pretty cool camera features, telephoto lens, bokeh effect works well. There are some moments where I had a few issues with focusing, but managed to get through that. Fingerprint sensor, NFC, average sound quality. It's got a humongous battery with fast charging as well. But links are in the description below, guys, if you want to take a look. Any questions, guys, please comment below. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.